And the IFTA goes to PJ Dillon for the runway.
A few people I want to thank. Fionn Comerford, my focus puller, who remembers everything I forget. MacDara Kelleher, punk rock producer extraordinaire. Ian Power, a fantastic director and a great guy to work with. But the person I want to mention most is my friend Donald Gilligan, who isn't here tonight. I worked with Donald for 20 years or more. He was a great guy. He used to say to me that he taught me all I knew, he just didn't teach me all that he knew. And I just want to thank him for all he did teach me. Cheers.